That is this. I wish it was my farm. Wouldn't it be fun? You pick dragon fruit. Bonjour, it's Darviny. Welcome back to my fruity kitchen. I love going to those tropical fruit markets. As you saw, we got all these wonderful tropical fruits, from guavas to passion fruit to the dragon fruit, where we even went to a dragon fruit farm, which was really fun to see. Key limes. Key limes are wonderful in the season. It's the season of key limes. I make amazing key lime pie, which we'll do. I put key limes in almost everything. I put them in my smoothies. I put them on my dressings. I put them on fresh fruit. So what happens is, when I come back with this abundance of fruit and bags and boxes of fruit, as you saw yesterday, I don't always only make smoothies with them. I do different things. For example, these baby bananas, like up here, these are going to ripen soon. These are fabulous for ripening. These baby bananas are great to make banana chips with, as opposed to the bigger bananas. They're also good, but this is better for a smoothie. And these are great for chips because they get super sweet. And you can do them green. You can make green banana chips or yellow banana chips. They have a different flavor, but they're both really good. So same with papaya. You could actually eat papaya that's not ripe and make a green papaya salad, which is excellent, by the way. I also make papaya chips in the dehydrator. So my point is, today we're going to make a lot of smoothies with this fruit. I'm calling it the Just Do It Smoothie, because the main thing is you just got to do a smoothie. There's no right or wrong. There's no perfection in smoothies. It's just do it. So, but what I also do when I come back with all this abundance of fruit is I make salads. For example, right here, I had all these delicious peaches, because it's peach season here, coming into season. I take the peaches, cut them up. This is a very thing we do in France every summer, because we have so many peaches in France that are delicious, different types. You can smell them in the markets. This is a very simple dessert. I take the peaches, cut them up, put some fresh mint from the garden, and key lime. If you don't have key lime, you can use lemon or lime. But this is an excellent, excellent, refreshing salad. Everyone loves it. My peach salads, everyone loves them. I do the same with papaya. I cut up the papaya, put key lime on it. Sometimes I put mint, sometimes I don't. Put that in the fridge. Everyone loves it. They have to grab those papaya salads, the peach salad. Same with the mango. I do that. I cut up the mangoes, put a little mint, put a little lime, and I put those in the fridge. They're in different containers. Everyone just grabs them, or we use them also for dessert, or just have a fresh fruit salad for lunch with a little bit of cottage cheese or something else that you want to eat it with. Now that we talked about the peach salad and the bananas and everything else, we're going to start with a Just Do It smoothie. Just Do It smoothie, I'm going to show you how easy it is. You don't have to remember this recipe. You just have to learn to mix and combine and be like a mixologist, right? And not be afraid of it not being perfect. There's no such thing as imperfect. Everything is good. So I'm going to use this delicious dragon fruit because I love the color of dragon fruit in my smoothies. Look at this delicious color. It's amazing. And everyone who's doing these, growing the dragon fruits, look at this color. This is so beautiful. It's my favorite color. As you know, I wear a lot of pink and magenta. This will make any smoothie look beautiful. No matter what you put in it, it'll look beautiful. So we're going to cut the top, just cut that inside. And we're going to put that inside the blender. Again, if you blend, mix, or do juices, both can go through the juicing machine, right? So I'm going to blend today. We can go through juicing another time. I have both. Today I'm going to be blending the fruit. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that beautiful color. Isn't that so pretty? Even like that. It stains though, so be careful. I just love the colors, like a painting. Oh, look, looks like a little animal with the with the little ears right here. Okay. I think my daughter would like that. So we're going to put the dragon fruit inside. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Oh, that color is so nice. And what I'm going to do, surprise, surprise, is I'm going to add a spoonful from my peach salad. Why not? Use what you have, right? So I made peach salad, got extra of it here. I'm going to put that inside. Got some mint and some lime. And then I'm going to put some mango, a little bit of banana. This is going to be delicious. A little banana. So I already have the lime in there from the peach salad. You don't always have to put banana. I like to put banana. I like to put ice. I also like to put coconut water. I'm going to show you how to open up a coconut. How to open I put coconut. Now, with this, what's delicious is passion fruit. Not everyone has passion fruit, but since we were at the tropical fruit market, and again, we're in South Florida, there's tropical fruit that grows everywhere. Farms and farms and farms of dragon fruit right now. This is passion fruit. Passion fruit has that delicious sweet smell to it. I love passion fruit, it's very grainy. So I also sprinkle and squeeze passion fruit, it smells so good, inside some of my salads as well. Again, there's no right or wrong, but it just adds that extra flavor. So the passion fruit now I'm putting inside the smoothie. This is gonna be so good. It's gonna taste like a tropical lifesaver. You know, in my days when I was much younger, when I was bartending, I used to blend, I used to have tons of mixed drinks I used to make. And even back then, when I was doing that, I used tropical fruit inside my drinks. So I had a drink called Darviny's Delight that tasted like a tropical lifesaver and sent you for a loop. And that was the drink I was famous for behind my bar. But that was 30 years ago. So now we're on the health binge and we're not doing that anymore, but we're still using tropical fruit and we're mixing them. Mixologista. We're mixing them together and making delicious smoothies. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of the peach. So what do we have in here? We have dragon fruit, I have some peach, some mint, some key lime, I have some passion fruit, I'm gonna add some mango, and I have a banana, right? So I'm gonna add some mango, and that's gonna be a delicious, thick smoothie there. Now, some of the things, sometimes in my smoothies, I only use fruit. Other time, I do add other things like flax seeds, like chia seeds, like cinnamon, like ginger, for different health benefits. And many times I always say I add a lot of chia seeds because what the chia seeds do, which is a wonderful also addition of protein to your smoothies. If you want that, you don't have to do this. I use it because many times my smoothies, I'm hungry after them, a little bit after them. The chia seeds, when they're put inside a liquid, they tend to expand. So when you put the chia seeds in, that's why they make chia seed pudding, which is for another day. So the chia seeds, when you drink it, it expands in your gut. So it gives you that feeling of feeling full. And because you're full, you're not gonna be binging or hungry or so quick to grab something to eat. So chia seeds are a little trick that I love to put inside the smoothies to get that feeling of fullness and extra protein. And there's no taste to the chia seeds. They just change maybe the color a little bit, but there is no taste to it. So I think I've got enough stuff in this one. What else can I throw? What else do I have here that I can throw in? I could throw in a couple of grapes. So this is going back to there is no perfect smoothie, right? Everything is good, no imperfect smoothie. Every smoothie is perfect no matter what you do, right? So you can add fruits. I like to stick with fruits and vegetables. I like to separate them. I think that's better for myself when I digest better. I digest if I do all fruit and all vegetables. My system, my body works better that way. But some people like to blend fruit and vegetables. That's okay too if you can tolerate it. Sometimes I will put lime, though, which is a fruit, inside my smoothies when I'm doing the green smoothies or vegetable smoothies. So here we go. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. So with that, where's my top? We're going to start blending that. So I'm just going to get really loud for a minute, and then we're going to taste this and look at this fabulous color that it's going to be. All right, here we go. Haha, with the glasses. And maybe this isn't plugged in because it's not working. Yeah, look at that pink. All right, look at that color. So that pink, let's see how this smells. Oh, that's so good. That is so good because you know what really makes it really good is the passion fruit. The passion fruit has that delicious smell to it that gives that super tropical flavor. So here we have, look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pink. It matches my shirt without even trying. Beautiful pink smoothie. I'm gonna give that to my guest here. Pretty pink. How beautiful is that? Looks like me. Voila, smoothie number one, tropical smoothie. Bon appetit.